Facing the unfortunately Telegram has stopped error? Don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through some quick fixes to get Telegram up and running on your Android device. Solution 1. Update and reinstall the app. Go to Play Store, search for Telegram in the search bar. Tap on Update if available. If not, exit Play Store. If the problem persists, then you need to uninstall the app. Now uninstall the app, reinstall it, restart the device. Solution 2. Clearing app cache. Open Telegram. Tap on the horizontal 3-line button on the top left corner. Tap Settings. Press on Data and Storage menu. Go to Storage Usage. Tap on Clear Cache. After that, scroll down a bit. Change Auto Remove Cached Media settings to 1 day. Solution 3. Free up storage space. If your device has low storage, you need to free up some space to update Telegram. Go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Device Care. Tap on Storage. Check how much free space is available. If it's low, you may need to delete some apps, photos, or files. Solution 4. Tune battery settings. Open Settings, go to Battery Settings and open it. Tap on Background Usage Limits. Turn off, put unused apps to sleep. If power saving mode is turned on, turn it off. That's all. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.